Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the routers. So how we are going to use routes in the React.js. So we are going to use the very well-known package that is called React Router DOM. Okay. So for the linking of the applications, like if we want to create a nav bar where we are going to click on any of the links, so it will redirect to the particular page. On that case, we are going to use the React Router DOM. So let's start the tutorial. So we here we have the documentation of the React tutorial also. So what we have to do is, first of all, let's create a project React tutorial. So I'm going to create a router tutorial and go to my projects and let's create it. So create project name React tutorial because naming restrictions. Okay. So we need to add router only. So I'm going to add router. Okay, so it's creating the package. Full React templating all is going to be done. So let's copy the next one that is called the React Router DOM. Copy this, go to the terminal, go to the folder first. This is the latest one. Okay, so go to the directory that is router, enter, installed npm React Router, done, npm start, done, done. Okay, so let's follow the tutorial. So I want to add a link first. Okay, such kind of links. So first of all, let's copy and place if we what exactly it is. So if I go and open my project file, new window, file, open folder, that is html, we have React projects, we have router, open, source app.js currently it is. So you can see that we have currently this one, export default. You can copy and paste it, export default all app, and you can see that in the bookkeeper is edit. Okay, now we are going to add the links. Okay, so this have the tutorial also to add the links. So first of all, in the index.jsx you need to add this one to use the routers, right? So copy this one, right, and go to your index to root file index.jsx, and here we need to copy and replace it to use the routes. So this is done, root element, and after this we need to add the render and the browser router at the same. Okay, so add this also. This part is done for the index. Now we are going to use the app.jsx, and now we are going to add some of the links. Okay, just copy and add the link. So if I go and just copy replace this with the link, export default link, and this is invoices and expenses. Okay, so this we haven't created yet. So you can see that this will add a link of invoices and the expenses onto your home screen. Let's check that. So you can see that invoices and the expenses are adding to this link. Okay, so now we have to add the routes at the same. This is the nav that we have done. Okay, so we can add the routes at the same place also. So we need to create the route section. So I have already created in the previous. So what we have in the React projects, we have read the router tutorial. So you have to create the routes. I will copy and paste it in the router. So you need to create the route over here, routes, and we have expenses.jsx and invoices.jsx, simple texts. Okay, so if we are going to import this, import, and we can import the let's copy the previous one also, we have already. Okay, copy this and we are going to paste it in the next this one. So you will see that we have added the routes over here, so we can add the invoices over here. Invoices templating, you can see. So if I go and check this, So if I go add expenses, by default it shows invoice expenses, right? And by default it is expenses. And if I go to add the invoices, you will see that the invoices are there, right? So invoices section is there. You can see that we have added the invoices. Hello, you can also add the hello invoices and check. If I go over to the tab, and you can see that hello invoices is printing at the same. So this is the linking, that routes we have defined, that on the invoices that template gonna be rendered, on the other one that template gonna be rendered. Okay, so let's, can we merge it? Okay, so let's go to the this one app.jsx. We have the routes already defined. Okay, so let's add the nav link. We have already followed the tutorial over here, so let's add the link to nav, full nav that we are going to add it. And let's check what exactly gonna be happen. Okay, so let's add it the here nav. And we have going to add the invoices. And let's check whether it is redirecting to the invoices and showing that component or not. Let's move to the app, and you can see that invoices is here. So invoices, let's go to the route page. And if I go to the by default and we go to invoices, you can see that there is invoices. And let's check first page, that is expenses. And you can see that here we have by default expenses we have already at the route page. And when we move to the invoices, you can see that we can link to the another one like this invoices, so it shows the invoices page. So this is how we can add the link or bypass the routes like this way. Okay, so it's very easy. And you can also implement in your React project. Okay, so so what we have learned so far, so we have learned like link, route, and routes. So these routes for the routing, so it will tell you like which component you want to render. Link is basically for linking, and which route you want to link, just that is passed to be in the routes section wrapping, right? So I think that's done from my side. If you have any query in regarding this, just let me know in the comment box. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment.